In this video I'll do a test cast of a mug or a cup by using Printwave metal casting. If you don't know what I'm talking about, feel free to watch the video where I explain the process in detail. This video is an introduction to a new metal casting method. I want to cast a copper mug, but I ran out of investment that can handle molten copper. Let me take you to the journey of the test cast I did by using aluminum. First I printed a mold, or two molds and a handle. And by the way, if you're afraid that your mold can leak, you can always use some painter's tape to reinforce it. Then I superglued the handle to the smaller mold's wall. I mixed some plaster of Paris type of powder together with sand. It's the first time I'm trying out this exact brand of plaster. Then I run a G-code to shake out the bubbles. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, more or less, I remove the mold from the build plate. I microwaved it on a low power to soften the PLA. The plastic feels soft, I'll try to pull it out. The mold is hot, so I can't get a good grip. I guess that's why they make gloves. And I did the same thing with a handle mold. The handle mold was printed a little bit smaller, so I could just slide it into the big mold. Then I dried the mold in the oven. Since I'll be casting aluminum and it doesn't flow as good as my tears when I see my YouTube AdSense earnings, I'm gonna pull some vacuum. The mug came out pretty nice, apart from the bottom. The mold needed to be taller so I could pour more metal. For the same reason I ended up having a little hole inside of the mug, because I just needed more metal. But it's a test cast, so that's what they are for, to learn from mistakes. I was pleased to know that it will work, so that's it. Okay, I made another mold, this time taller. I didn't have enough plaster, so while printer is doing the shaking, I'm doing the mixing. It was so smooth it almost looks like it's not real. Watch it again. Abracadabra! I'm no stranger to mistakes, I keep making them all the time. I did make the mold taller, the big mold, but the handle, yeah, it's the same size and it's not good. Since the mold is bigger, I'll need more aluminum. Looks like I didn't dry this mold properly, there are some hydrogen bubbles forming. Oh well, it happens, what can I say. Mold this size needed to be baked for way longer. For the final cast I'll be using a proper investment that I know for the fact I can dry in my oven, so I shouldn't have the same issues. Even though I had more aluminum to pour, I wasted it to fill the gap in the handle part of the mold. So the cast is very similar to previous one. Now I know that it will work, so I can get a different investment and cast it in copper. But I'll need to also increase the size of the mug, because let's face it, it's quite small, unless you want to look posh.